This video is going to cover how to change your desktop background on macOS. To change the background, we need to first launch System Preferences. Once in System Preferences, select Desktop and Screensaver. First, we will cover using one of the desktop background images that are included with macOS. On the left-hand side, make sure that Apple is selected, and then select Desktop Pictures. At the top of the list are dynamic desktop options. These are background images that change colors based on what time of day it is. If we select one of these, you can choose if you want your background image to change through the day by selecting Dynamic. If you would instead prefer a non-dynamic background, you can select either a light or a dark version of the image. Under the dynamic desktop images, we see light and dark desktop images. These work similarly to dynamic desktop images, but instead of changing all throughout the day, they only change from light to dark and dark to light. Once you select an image you would like to use, you can choose to have it automatically change color based on time of day by selecting Automatic, or you can select either a light or a dark version of the image. If we scroll down further, we can select a static desktop image. If you would like, you can cycle through Apple's desktop pictures in a slideshow by selecting Change Picture. Once you have selected this option, you can choose how often and when you would like to change between desktop pictures, and if you would like the slideshow to cycle in a random order. If you would instead prefer your desktop background was a solid color, you can select Colors on the left. If you don't like any of the default colors, you can choose a custom color below. You can also choose to cycle between these colors similarly to how you can cycle through the Apple desktop pictures. You can choose a picture of your own to use as a desktop background by selecting Photos on the left. From here, you can scroll through your photos and choose whichever you would like. If you don't like how the image looks as your desktop background, you can adjust the fit of the image by selecting Full Screen. From here, you can find the setting that best suits your selected picture. You can also choose to cycle between these pictures by selecting Change Picture. And then you can decide how often and when you would like it to change between these pictures. If you have a picture stored in a folder somewhere else on your computer, you can add that folder by selecting the plus sign on the lower left. For this example, I have placed a folder of images on the desktop that I will use. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, consider subscribing for more content, and be sure to check out whatthetech.io.